Okay, so I just put LED turn signals and taillights in this truck, and now when I work the turning signals, the arrow just stays on. I can work it manually like that, and the signals will flash with it, but when I activate the turn signal, it does not click. So I was looking into how the clickers work on there, because I swapped out the clicker with another clicker that I knew was good, and it didn't work either. So I was looking into it, and evidently the old school clickers, which on this one is located right here, just a 2-prong old school type. So what happens is when you activate the turn signal, it creates resistance and activates the switch, and then it cools off and then unclicks, and then it clicks and unclicks with temperature, essentially. And these LEDs don't create enough temperature to make that work. So I seen on the internet that this was a thing. It's an LED flasher. Essentially, it's got like a circuit board inside there that is telling it to flash instead of having the resistance of the bulb activate the thermo clicker. So I'm going to install that and see if that fixes it. One more side note, not all vehicles are the same, but this LED kit came with this bottom piece right here, which is a polarity reverser. This is the wiring diagram for the 2-terminal flasher. Essentially, you just plug it right back into where it went from the factory. You have to ground the wire that is coming out of it. I ended up having to use the polarity reverser. All right. Excellent. Awesome. Glad that fixed my problem. That was like 15 bucks on Amazon, and it came in like 2 days. So highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description.